Hey there, quantum explorers. Welcome back to the channel that's about to blow your mind and reshape the way you see the world. If you're into mind-bending concepts and groundbreaking innovations, you're in the right place. Smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Because today, we're diving deep into the mind-blowing universe of quantum computing. I'm your guide through this quantum odyssey, and trust me, you won't want to miss a single second of this video. We're about to unveil 10 crazy ways quantum computing is about to turn our reality upside down. From accelerating drug discovery to revolutionizing financial modeling, quantum computing is set to redefine the game. But before we jump into these mind-blowing revelations, do yourself a favor. Hit that like button and comment below with your favorite quantum-powered application. Let's get the quantum conversation started. Drug discovery acceleration. Prepare to be transported into a realm of scientific marvels as we delve into the groundbreaking convergence of quantum computing and drug discovery. Imagine a world where cutting-edge technology empowers scientists to embark on an accelerated journey into the microscopic intricacies of molecular interactions. Quantum computing emerges as the superhero in this narrative, boasting unparalleled processing prowess that catapults us beyond the constraints of time. In this era, the race to discover life-saving medications transcends conventional limits, with quantum leaps in simulation capabilities, allowing scientists to decode molecular puzzles at an unprecedented pace. It's not merely about faster research, it's about rewriting the story of medical progress with the finesse of quantum precision. Brace yourselves as we navigate through this transformative landscape, where quantum computing becomes the catalyst for a future where breakthrough medications seamlessly transition from concept to market in record time. But this quantum revolution doesn't stop there. It marks a paradigm shift, reshaping our approach to healthcare and redefining what's possible. Join us on this exhilarating journey where the fusion of quantum computing and drug discovery is rewriting the rules of medical advancement, promising a future where quantum precision meets transformative healthcare breakthroughs. Well, quantum explorers, that's a wrap on our journey into the quantum realm. If your brain feels like it just did a somersault, you're not alone. But hey, that's the beauty of exploring the limitless possibilities of quantum computing. If you enjoyed this mind-expanding adventure, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow quantum enthusiasts. And, of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more mind-boggling content that's sure to leave you craving more. The quantum revolution is just beginning, and you don't want to miss a single breakthrough. Until next time, quantum explorers, keep your curiosity alive and your mind ready for the next quantum leap. Catch you on the quantum flip side.